When you walk into a room, do your clothes reflect the woman you've become or the one you're still trying to outgrow? At this stage in life, confidence isn't something you chase, it's something you wear. Every outfit you choose is a statement about your self-worth, your presence, your story. But too often, our closets cling to comfort zones that no longer serve us. This video is about changing that. We'll uncover 15 subtle style mistakes many women over 50 make, not out of carelessness, but out of habit. And more importantly, we'll show you how to fix them with intention, ease, and elegance. Because the way you dress should reflect who you are now: bold, wise, beautifully self-assured, and done apologizing. Mistake 1: dressing for who you were, not who you are. It's easy to keep clothes that represent an old version of yourself. Styles from a past job, trends from your 30s, or outfits you wore when your lifestyle looked different. But here's the quiet trap. When you dress for who you used to be, you shrink the space for who you are now. Confidence comes when your wardrobe feels like an extension of your present identity, not a dusty archive. That doesn't mean starting from scratch. It means editing with honesty. Ask yourself, does this feel like me today? Clothing that no longer fits your energy, priorities, or values silently dims your presence. Start by removing pieces tied to roles you've outgrown. Let your closet be filled only with items that celebrate the woman you've become, because she's worth dressing for. Mistake 2: confusing oversized with effortless. There's a fine line between relaxed and careless, and many women over 50 fall into the trap of thinking oversized means effortlessly chic. But in reality, drowning in fabric can send the opposite message: that you're hiding, not owning your space. True elegance lies in knowing how to balance ease with shape. You can still feel free and comfortable, just with structure. Swap oversized cardigans or tent-like tops for soft tailoring, defined waistlines, or flowy pieces with intentional drape. A blazer with clean shoulders or a wrap dress that skims the body can work wonders. When your clothes suggest you know your shape and you're proud of it, everything changes. Confidence isn't in the fabric, it's in how you wear it. If this is speaking to you so far, take a second to like the video. It lets us know to keep making more content like this, just for you. Mistake 3: playing it too safe with color. Black is slimming. Neutrals go with everything. But when your entire wardrobe whispers, what happens to the voice of your style? Many women over 50 default to muted tones, thinking they're playing it smart. But in reality, they're playing it safe. Color is confidence. It doesn't have to be loud to be powerful. It just has to be intentional. Think jewel tones that light up your skin, soft blushes that warm the face, or deep greens that convey quiet strength. If you've spent years dimming your palette, start small. A scarf, a blouse, a statement shoe. The right color doesn't just flatter your complexion, it elevates your mood and presence. Don't be afraid to be seen. You've earned every shade of bold. What's one color you've always loved but stopped wearing? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear what's calling you back. Mistake 4: hiding behind safe pieces. We all have them: the cozy cardigan, the plain tee, the stretchy jeans that never judge. But over time, these safe pieces can turn into style autopilot. Instead of expressing who you are, they help you disappear. The confident woman doesn't hide, she edits. She keeps comfort, yes, but pairs it with presence. That means trading in slouchy for structured, faded for fresh, and worn out for well-loved. A simple swap, like a tailored jacket instead of a dated hoodie, can lift your entire outfit and your energy. You don't have to abandon what feels like you. You just have to elevate it. Choose clothes that tell the world you're engaged, not just existing. Confidence begins when you stop dressing to blend in and start dressing to belong to yourself. If you're nodding along, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's a whole wardrobe of confidence waiting here for you. Mistake 5: avoiding statement accessories. There's a quiet fear many women carry. I don't want to draw too much attention. So they keep jewelry minimal, bags neutral, and shoes practical. But here's the truth: Confidence is often found in the details. A statement accessory doesn't scream, it speaks clearly. It says you know who you are and you're not afraid to express it. Think bold earrings that light up your face, a sculptural cuff, or a structured bag that commands respect. These aren't just decorations, they're punctuation marks in your style story. One intentional piece can turn a plain outfit into a personal signature. Don't shy away from being seen. Add something bold, something beautiful, something that says you showed up on purpose. Have a favorite accessory that never fails to lift your mood? Share it below. We might just feature it in a future video. Mistake 6. Letting fit be an afterthought. You can buy the most luxurious fabric, the most flattering color, but if the fit is off, the magic is lost. So many women over 50 settle for good enough sizing, thinking it's too late or too fussy to get things tailored. But here's the truth. Fit is everything. Clothes that skim, shape, and support your natural silhouette instantly elevate your presence. A blazer that hugs your shoulders, trousers that follow your line without clinging, or a blouse that defines your waist. These quiet adjustments speak volumes. Confidence isn't about being a certain size. It's about honoring the body you're in exactly as it is. When your clothes look like they were made for you, you stop pulling, adjusting, and second-guessing. You stand taller because you feel seen. Tailored pieces changed your style game? Let us know what made the biggest difference. We're all learning from each other here. Mistake 7. Dressing from the neck down. Your outfit doesn't end at the collar, it starts there. Many women over 50 carefully choose clothes that flatter their shape, but forget the power of the area that frames their most expressive feature, the face. Neglecting your neckline, jewelry, or even your hairstyle can unintentionally dull the message your outfit is trying to send. The right neckline, be it a V-neck, boat neck, or soft scoop, can elongate your posture and draw attention upward. Statement earrings or a delicate chain can bring light and focus to your face, and a well-shaped hairstyle? That's your crown. Together, these details finish the sentence your clothes began. Confidence isn't just in what you wear, it's in how your whole presence comes together. Try one thing this week that draws attention upward. A new necklace, a fresh hairstyle, a different neckline, and see how it changes your energy. Mistake 8. Choosing comfort over confidence, when you can have both. Somewhere along the way, comfort started to mean compromise. Elastic waistbands, loose layers, soft shoes, yes, they're practical. But who said practical can't be powerful? Confidence isn't about squeezing into stiffness or sacrificing ease. It's about knowing you deserve clothing that does both. The modern woman over 50 has more options than ever: fluid fabrics that move with you, shoes with support and style, and silhouettes that flatter without fuss. Imagine a knit dress that feels like pajamas but looks like elegance, or trousers with hidden stretch that hold their shape. The goal isn't to be uncomfortable, it's to feel like your best self, inside and out. You've earned the right to feel good and look even better. If you found pieces that feel like a second skin and make you feel unstoppable, drop their names in the comments. Let's build each other's wardrobe confidence. Mistake 9. Not updating signature pieces. We all have a signature look. Maybe it's a favorite blazer, a go-to scarf, or the same makeup routine you've trusted for years. But here's the catch. When signature becomes stagnant, it stops feeling like style and starts feeling like a rut. Confidence evolves, and your wardrobe should evolve with it. That doesn't mean letting go of what makes you you. It means refreshing those pieces so they reflect the woman you are now. Maybe it's switching your go-to black for navy, swapping that old printed blouse for a silk version, or rethinking the shape of your glasses. Small changes can breathe life into your personal style without losing your essence. Signature doesn't mean stuck, it means refined over time. Think of one signature item that could use a little upgrade. Share it in the comments, and let's inspire each other to grow without letting go. Mistake 10. Following trends, meant for someone else. Trends can be fun. They offer new textures, colors, and silhouettes to explore. But too often, women over 50 either ignore them entirely or dive into styles that were never meant for them. Confidence isn't about being trendy, it's about being timeless with intention. The danger comes when you let trends dictate your choices instead of inspire them. Not every fashion wave is worth riding. Instead, observe what's current and adopt only what aligns with your essence. Maybe it's a trending color that flatters your skin tone, or a modern cut that updates your look without losing your identity. The goal isn't to chase youth, it's to honor your evolution. Style isn't about staying current, it's about staying true, with just enough edge to keep it interesting. Seen a trend you're curious to try, but aren't sure it's for you? Drop it in the comments. Let's decode it together and find your version of it. Mistake 11. Neglecting the message of your shoes. Shoes are more than accessories. They're your foundation. Yet so many women over 50 treat them as an afterthought, choosing practicality over presence. But here's the thing, your shoes speak. They say whether you rushed or prepared, whether you feel grounded or guarded. A worn-out flat or clunky sneaker can quietly undermine an otherwise polished look. Meanwhile, a sleek loafer, a pointed toe, or even an elegant, comfortable heel can elevate not just your outfit, but how you carry yourself. And yes, comfort still matters, but comfort doesn't have to mean compromise. Today's options offer both support and sophistication. When your shoes match the confidence of the rest of you, everything feels more aligned. Step with intention, and let the world feel it. What pair of shoes makes you feel instantly powerful? Share it below. We're building a closet of confidence together. Mistake 12. Thinking hair and makeup don't count. You might focus on your outfit, but forget that your hair and makeup are equally powerful tools in your style arsenal. When your grooming feels tired or neglected, even the best clothes can lose their impact. But you don't need a full makeover. Small, intentional tweaks can make all the difference. A fresh haircut that flatters your face shape, subtle highlights to brighten your complexion, or a skincare routine that gives your skin a natural glow can elevate your entire presence. Makeup isn't about masking. It's about enhancing your best features with grace. When your hair and makeup reflect care and confidence, they complete the message your wardrobe begins. The confident woman knows her look is a whole experience, not just the clothes she wears. What's one grooming habit that always makes you feel more confident? Share it below to inspire others on this journey. Mistake 13. Forgetting the power of outerwear. Your coat or jacket is often the first thing people notice. It sets the tone before you even say a word. Yet, many women treat outerwear as a functional afterthought rather than a statement of style and confidence. Investing in well-fitting, timeless outerwear can instantly elevate your entire look, even on the coldest days. Whether it's a classic trench, a tailored wool coat, or a sleek leather jacket, the right piece adds structure and polish. Outerwear isn't just about warmth, it's your style's first impression. When you step outside wrapped in something purposeful and beautiful, you carry yourself differently. Confidence starts with how you face the world, and your outerwear is your armor. If you have a favorite coat that makes you feel unstoppable, tell us about it in the comments. Let's celebrate those style staples together. Mistake 14. Skipping the mirror test. Before you step out, do you take a moment to really see yourself? The mirror test isn't vanity, it's presence. When you pause and look at your reflection, you give yourself permission to check if your outfit, accessories, and grooming align with how you want to feel and be seen. Skipping this step often means leaving the house with unconscious mismatches or forgotten details. The confident woman uses the mirror as a tool, not to judge, but to affirm. It's a moment to adjust, to breathe, and to remind herself that she is ready to face the world fully. This small habit transforms dressing from a routine into a ritual, one that strengthens your connection to yourself and your confidence. Try the mirror test tomorrow morning and notice how it changes your mindset. Share your experience with us. We're here to cheer you on. Mistake 15. Believing confidence is only for certain women. Many women quietly carry the belief that style, poise, and confidence belong to others, those younger, thinner, or more naturally elegant. This lie can hold you back more than any ill-fitting blouse or outdated shoe. But confidence isn't an exclusive club, it's a mindset you choose every day. It's the courage to show up fully, imperfections and all, and say, I am enough. Your style is your voice, your armor, and your celebration. When you let go of limiting beliefs about who deserves confidence, you open the door to endless possibilities. Remember, the confident woman is not perfect. She's real, resilient, and ready to claim her space in the world. And that woman is you. If this message resonates, take a moment to affirm your worth in the comments. You're part of a community that believes in rising together. You've spent years navigating life's changes, and now it's time for your wardrobe to reflect the woman you've become. Strong, graceful, and unapologetically confident. Dressing isn't about impressing others. It's about honoring yourself. When your clothes align with your inner strength, you no longer blend into the background. You stand tall and shine from within. This journey is not about perfection, but presence. Showing up fully as the woman who has earned her space and her voice. Remember, confidence isn't something you find. It's something you wear every day with intention. Embrace this new chapter by choosing garments that celebrate your story, your wisdom, and your unique beauty. Because you deserve nothing less than to dress like the confident woman you truly are. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these style shifts resonated most deeply with your journey? Share your thoughts or your own wardrobe wins in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else stepping into their confidence. Don't forget to check the description for links to outfit inspirations, style guides, and community resources designed just for you. If this video spoke to you and you're ready to keep growing your confidence through fashion, please subscribe and join our empowering community. Remember, this chapter of your life is about showing up fully and dressing with intention. There's so much more ahead, and I can't wait to walk this journey with you.